Just as learners need opportunities to practice during training, they also need opportunities to perform after training. As you might expect, trainees who frequently perform newly learned capabilities on the job tend to learn more, transfer more, and have higher job performance. Managers can provide these opportunities, or trainees can find them for themselves. We want them to frequently perform as many skills as possible. Ideally, they even have opportunities to perform the most difficult or complex learning tasks. After training ends, send a quick survey to trainees about whether they perform the targeted skills from training, how often they perform these skills, and the perceived difficulty of these skills. If they indicate low levels of opportunity to perform, we may need to think about refresher courses, boosters, reassessing the relevance of training content, or enhancing the supportiveness of the learning culture. Whatever the cause, the HR department will probably play a role in addressing it and improving the results of the program.